So, what's next as we go electric? Cities will be quieter, cleaner, and healthier. No more exhaust fumes or engine noise. Home charging will make petrol stations a thing of the past for most. Cars will get smarter, connecting to the grid and even powering your home. This isn't just about new engines, it's a shift to sustainable, renewable energy. New jobs, new industries, and a cleaner economy are on the way. Petrol cars will always have a place in our hearts, but the future is electric. These cars are fast, fun, and getting better every day. We're driving toward a cleaner, more exciting future. And trust me, it's going to be one heck of a ride. Now, let's talk mycelium bio-leather. Bentley's innovative step for the Continental GT EV. Mycelium, the root structure of mushrooms, is grown on agricultural waste, then processed into a material that looks and feels like premium leather. It's animal-free, fast to produce, and uses a fraction of the resources required for traditional leather. The result? A soft, durable, and luxurious material that meets Bentley's exacting standards. For a brand known for craftsmanship, this is a powerful endorsement of sustainable innovation. Mycelium bio-leather fuses nature and technology, redefining what luxury can be. Bentley proves you don't have to sacrifice quality for sustainability. This is the future of high-end interiors.